If your printer is not printing properly and it's dull like in first to prints, you need to do this to fix this issue. First, upload papers and go to settings and then click maintenance option. There is 3 main settings available to fix this issue: nozzle check, head cleaning, power cleaning. As you can see in the picture that from one spot print is missing. You can do first nozzle check and it's 3-minute step. And after that, try to print the paper again. If it still continues with the same issue, repeat the steps again. It takes 3 minutes to clean nozzle. Once the cleaning is completed, it will print again and see the lines are complete like other pattern. As you can